Labuladong Online is a website that gives you tech tutorials for the AI era. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I just discovered this platform. I think it's really cool because it's actually a systematic approach that helps you master the core programming skills required to actually build more complex programs, systems, websites, applications, all that kind of good stuff. Now, even in the age of vibe coding, it's really important to understand what you're actually doing. Now, I've been coding before ChatGPT, so back then I would probably say I would consider myself a junior developer and went through a very intensive 13-week boot camp, so I know what's going on underneath the scene between underneath all the vibes that I'm coding, shall we say, and I think that is very important. So on this website you can actually learn how to visualize certain data structures and different ways to visualize algorithms, so it's actually a lot easier for you to understand, and this is actually a massive wealth of knowledge as well. If you go to the AI coding introduction section, you'll actually be able to see the site's also got an AI tutor which you can ask for questions. I think this is really important stuff, especially in the age where people are just vibe coding stuff and not really thinking about things like security, functionality, efficiency of code. I think it's really important to know, to understand these sort of platforms that actually give you insight into ways to understand what you're making and ways to actually make it more efficient. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
I know there is a repo of this as well, which shouldn't be too hard to find, but yeah, I think this is a great resource, and I know that you guys all also enjoy when I actually share learning resources as opposed to just tools, so I thought this one is definitely worth sharing. Definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.